Welcome to this episode of Meet KTA. Today we're sitting down with two of our roadside maintenance employees to give a little look into their roles here. So welcome. We're going to start this off easy. If you could just introduce yourself, name, title, and how long you've been here.
My name is Larry Crane, Assistant Foreman Bond and Maintenance. I've been here 13 years.
Jared Farthing, Equipment Operator, 8 years.
How have you moved into the positions that you're at? Have you started where you're at? Did you move up?
I started as an Operator 1, moved into an Operator 2, and then got promoted to Assistant Foreman after being here a couple of years. I've been doing this position for about 11 years now.
I came from KTA. After 10 years there, I started out as Equipment Operator 1, worked my way up.
So let's look into kind of your daily roles and responsibilities. What kind of, what's your day-to-day like?
Anything we're told to do.
And for the most part, a lot of our jobs are pretty much the same day to day. But like I said, things change. I mean, you'll be out building a fence, the next thing you know, you got a rollover accident. So I mean, it's just, you never know what you're going to do every day. You kind of got an idea of what you got planned, but it always changes.
Well, at Cassidy, we're a small shop. We're not like up here. We have a total of 5 people, so it's pretty much we all go out and do whatever needs to be done. Sometimes we'll split up and do what we can, but it's usually all of us together.
So in the time that you've been here, is there a favorite project that you've gotten to work on that just sticks out to you?
I like it all.
Yeah, I agree with that. I like pretty much everything I do. Not everything, but pretty much everything we do. And I like, in our department, in the maintenance department, we got our hands in a lot. We help, the electricians when they need help, the carpenters. So we get to kind of meet everybody and do different things. That's what I really like about it.
It's a challenge.
Yeah.
I like the challenge.
Yeah. So being out on the road, typically you're right there by traffic. It gets stressful, nerve-wracking in the beginning. Do you become like desensitized to it after a while?
Yeah, that's one of my biggest things, and I have to remind myself, and I try to remind people all the time, is don't get comfortable. Because once you get comfortable, you're going to get hurt. Because you just, like I said, you get desensitized to it. You get used to traffic being that close to you, and after a while, it doesn't bother you. And everybody does it that does it daily. And you just gotta be aware of everything that's going on.
Yeah, you do get desensitized to it because you'll be standing right there on the white line. You're going by 80 miles an hour. You don't even pay attention to it anymore.
After a while, it's just normal. It's every day.
Have you guys had any close calls?
I guess about 3 years ago, my hand got struck by a vehicle driving by. I was working on the hash mark inside our cones, and we were working right on the cones, and I was shoveling, and I went to extend my hand out, and the mirror hit my hand.
You've mentioned that you might have to work in an accident. What kind of things would you do if that situation arose and you had to go help respond to one?
Our first thing is when we hear of an accident is to get there and see what we've got, and then we try to get barrier trucks moving and get that radio back to the other guys what we need. And, try to keep traffic moving, number one, and make sure everybody's safe.
Since you guys are the ones out on the road doing the work, what advice would you have to drivers who are coming up on a scene, passing by?
Put your phone down. Be cautious. Just be alert. Slow down and move over for us. I know we're not law enforcement, but move over. We're out there working and trying to get everything cleared up for you.
Yeah, make things slow down. For me, anyway.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys for sitting down with us and giving us a little insight into your role here. And thank you guys for watching this episode, and we'll see you next time.